This is June 9th, 2021. There's a making great headway on the floor. It came strip the forms off the concrete. Backfill around all this country. Well, tomorrow they're moving the meter over to here, and the underground crew for PG&E is going to come and trench. And there's a light paint marking where they're going to go. Right there, all the way up to the pole. And then we have to go in that trench back. So they'll unhook this, which they'll probably just disconnect down in a box right here. They painted it, but it's gone. And when they do, I guess if they leave, I don't know if I should do that. Now I can get a weatherhead at Home Depot. They've got plenty of them. Just yank out this wire here and just put a small weatherhead on it and then go up in through there. That's heavy duty wire up there. It's all aluminum. Anyway, it comes down to the ground, goes up through there, and down into the top of this panel. And the reason they did that is when they put the power pole in and the panel and everything, the only way PG&E could get to us was overhead lines from these poles because they weren't underground yet. And so they went underground. They came across the street. There's a transformer right there underground in Jenny's side of the street. Comes across over under here, goes down here, and then goes into there. And then I get my power for the trailer from here through this sub panel, which is a 50 amp. And we've been trying to figure out just how we want to do this. And I think, I don't want the extra line lost from 30 foot of wire, so I think the easiest way to trench without going around the pole, but we just go up and come straight out of the bottom here and take this lead and go straight down. I'm not sure what size that is. It's probably a 1 inch to a 1 1/4 inch. And then my pipe is 1.5 inch. So I've got 70 feet of 1.5 there, and we can always reduce or expand up to, however you want to think of it, up to that one going through that side over there. I'm not sure how much red line is going to help me, but Jack says they usually do that. So PG&E will come in here with a 3 inch line. I should have checked this. This is a 2 inch here going underground. So the 2 inch goes underneath into the basement, or into the underneath the trailer there, and that ties into our mains. But I didn't use 2-inch. I thought that was overkill for what I'm gonna do with the size of wire I've got to deal with. So I got 1.5 inches. So I can come in probably and just drill a hole for 1.5 inches right here. Or there might be one underneath here. There's several different sizes down there. And I can drill out. I've got one of those step drills that allow you to go 1.5 inches, 2 inches. Okay, well I've spent five minutes, so that's almost 6 minutes now. So we're going to terminate this one.